Here's how to claim McDonald's monopoly prizes. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have already installed the McDonald's app to your mobile phone. Afterwards, click on the Open app, and then you will be able to see this. After signing in, click on Order to Play or Register to Play, depending if you already have an account. Afterwards, what you need to do is to scroll down and then scroll from left to right until you see the limited time Monopoly menu. For you to be able to claim the McDonald's Monopoly prizes, you must order from the Monopoly prizes menu and then click on the add code options. Put on the code that you get from the Monopoly prizes so you can go ahead and avail it. Afterwards, you will be able to see there the app exclusive deals or the Monopoly app exclusive deals. Remember that you should order only for the exclusive deals so that you can go ahead and claim the McDonald's Monopoly prizes.